So this is day 3, and just like I showed you in day 1 and day 2, we're going to start off with spreadsheet 1. So again, all of the menu items are listed on the right hand side. Most popular menu item lists are highlighted in yellow, the least popular menu item highlighted in red. So when we look at my appetizers, the least popular menu item was loaded nachos, only 4 being sold. And my most popular menu item was stuffed mushrooms with 12 being sold. When we look at the entrees, the chicken fingers were the most popular menu item, and the least popular menu item was my pulled pork sandwich. Down to the desserts, my most popular menu item was my big brownie, and the least popular menu item was a chocolate mousse cheesecake. So just to give you another example, I'm going to use the chocolate mousse cheesecake. So the selling price for that was $7, and I sold 6 of them. And the food cost was $1.10, and that comes from the standardized recipes and cost analyses worksheet, or spreadsheet, sorry. If we go over one more row, we'll see the contribution margin per portion, and that is your selling price minus your food cost per portion. So $7 minus the $1.10 is $5.90. If you scroll over a little more, you'll see total sales per menu item, and that's $42 for this one. So that would be the selling price times the number sold. So 7 times 6, that's how you get the $42. And if you scroll over a little more, you'll see total contribution margin per menu item. And for the chocolate mousse, I had $35.40. And this would be the contribution margin per portion multiplied by the number sold, and that's how you get the $35.40. So I'm actually going to scroll past day 3 spreadsheet 2 and go right to day 3 profit and loss, just so that I'm not really repeating myself, and we haven't really seen profit and loss yet, so I'm going to go over that first. So for day 3 profit and loss, it shows you the total sales, total food cost, total contribution margin, fixed cost, and gross profit. So for total sales, I added up the sales of hour 1 and the sales of hour 2, and that gave me $1,289.16. For the total food cost, I did that on the first spreadsheet, so spreadsheet 1, and I did that by doing the food cost per portion times the amount that I sold for each menu item, and I went all the way down the list for that. So at the end, I got $136.84. To get the total contribution margin, you do your total sales minus your total food cost. So $1,289.16 minus $136.84 gives you that $1,152.32. I also had a fixed cost of $500 per day. So if you want to find your gross profit, you have to do the total contribution margin, which was, in my case, $1,152.32, minus your fixed cost, which was $500, and you get a gross profit for day 3 of $652.32, so I made some money. So we can scroll down a little further, and you'll see all my charts. Total sales, average check, and profit and loss. So for total sales, you can see in hour 1 it was higher than hour 2. In hour 1 it was just over $1,000, and in hour 2 it was $250. In average check, you can see in hour 1 it was a lot higher than in hour 2. So hour 1 it was just under $50, and in hour 2 it was just above $30. For profit and loss, you can see the total sales, total food costs, total contribution margin, fixed costs, and gross profit. So you can see in gross profit, I did make a profit for today, in day 3, and it was just over $500. So that's it for day 3. In the next video, I'll go over the 3-day summary, so day 1, day 2, and day 3 all combined.